Out of the 16th, guys, and another little update on the greenhouse build. I'm just going to turn you around. So Finn, who has the small holding out the back here, he's got quite a nice trailer. Anyway, he picked me up this morning and we went down to a local quarry and we asked for half a ton of, or thereabouts, of 20mm crusher run. They call it 20mm down to dust. And anyway, the guy loaded us up. When we went back on the weighbridge, it was 0.7 of a ton, metric ton I would think. Anyway, as it's turned out, I've used the whole lot, which surprised me. I didn't think it would take that much, but from about where the edge of the lawn was, I had to dig deeper down. This bit here with the lawn was probably only about, I don't know, maybe 5 inches, but maybe there down to 10 inches, or again something like that. So anyway, we got it dumped in the front garden and I've been barrowing it through. Turn you around. Just put planks in the doorways and then barrowed it through, and then if you can see, before I did, I put some levelling pegs in. You can see the tops of them just there, and so really it's just a matter of filling it up to the top of the pegs. And then another mate of mine lent me this very handy tamping tool, and then tamp it down, compact it down, and then obviously just keep topping it up. So if you look at that, let's have a look. Well, okay, it's not perfect, but it's not bad. I can live with that, and I can make anything up now. I can put the blocks straight onto this crusher run on a couple of blobs of mortar, and then I can make up the levels that way. Yeah, like I say, if you look at that piece of wood, it's not bad. It's pretty level. I just had to put some scrap wood in here. That the ground fell away there, so in order to build the level up I just had to put some scrap wood in just to hold the crusher run in place. So I'm happy to get that done. Anyway, so the next step will be this afternoon. I'm just going to fetch some blocks through from the front, just stack them round here somewhere, then we'll have the big clean up. And then, yeah, it's a case of just getting the first lot of blocks laid down, just trying to make sure that everything's as square as possible. And we'll take it from there. Right guys, catch you later. So guys, another little update, November the 19th, and it's here. Me and a mate carried it up from the micro orchard. It's about 0.6 of a mile or something. We got some funny looks, I can tell you. And we carried it round right through the field here, and then just lifted it over the fence, and you can see I've got the block base. It just sat squarely nice on that base. Like I said, underneath we've got the sub material here, 0.7 tons. And then the block on there, and I've power washed all my bricks. So I've just marked the internal corners, so the brick will go up to that line there, and then this will sit on the brick, and then we can just screw and plug in the frame. So I am really happy that that's in place now. So like I say, the next job is just to get the brick down. Hopefully I'll be able to get that done in the next day or two, and once it's had a couple of days to harden up, I'll get it screwed in. Then I'll just power wash the whole thing, make sure that all the rubbers are in place. I think they're pretty much all intact, and then we can start to glaze it. Yeah, happy days. I'm really happy that that's in place. I can't tell you, I've been so wanting to get this done. Anyway, I'll catch you later. So guys, another little update. It's November the 21st. I just noticed, probably won't be able to make that out actually, but it's actually ice. So there must have been a frost last night. I know there was a full moon anyway. Yeah, okay, so just another little update here. You can see that I've now got that course of brick laid, and we've just put it on for a fit. Anyway, it's nice. I plan to get it right on the edge there, which it is. So what I've done, I've ordered some stainless steel screws and washers to fix it down into the brick, and then that should be nice and solid. Can't see it going anywhere now, but this course of brick just gives me an extra bit of height. So what I'll probably do, I'll take this last bit of grass, I'll cut that off, and then at some point, once I've got it all glazed and everything, I've been looking on the internet. I'm going to buy in some special soil mix and probably put it up to there somewhere, yeah, level with that block, I guess. And the other thing I probably want to do is make I've seen it on Bill and Val's channel, make like a folding table out of wood, so that once you, like a potting bench if you will, so that once you've finished potting up and that, it sort of drops down out of the way. I think that'd be a great idea for this. But yeah, it's been a lot of work, but oh yeah, there's my little piece of drain pipe, look, so I can put a irrigation hose through. So the intention is to at some point get a timer, and the tap's over there by the wall, so we come running down the fence here and then through that pipe, and so then if we go away or anything, I can just turn the timer on and keep the plants watered. So I'm going to anyway start bringing up some of the glass today. As soon as the stainless steel screws come, I'll get it fixed into the brick, and then I'll power wash it clean and then start glazing it. Right.